Can you hear the difference? In the 11 plus music aptitude test, there's one question that catches most students off guard. You'll hear just one chord played once, and you have to decide whether there were 2 notes, 3 notes, or 4. It sounds simple, but without the right training, it can feel simply impossible. That's why we created the Texture Masterclass. This powerful digital course teaches your child how to tune their ears, trust their instincts, and identify texture with confidence every single time. Inside, they will learn what musical texture really means. They will discover the 4 powerful listening strategies. They will learn how to spot fuzzy, full, or clear chords. They will also learn how to avoid common mistakes like being tricked by loudness or clashiness. And most of all, they will learn how to tune into the emotional and physical feel of sound to guide their answers more intuitively. Whether your child is a musical beginner or already experienced, this course helps unlock sharp listening skills that go beyond guessing and bring results. The Texture Masterclass is more than a lesson, it's a listening superpower. Let's help your child feel ready, focused, and in tune for the test day. Our Texture Masterclass is now available at ashbeamusic.com. Check the description for more details. Thank you for watching and all the best with your practice.